job, kitty. What you doing? What a good baby. What do we have up on the bench today? It's stage 2 AP2 rear end that we fully restored. This thing was a rusty bucket, really bad. Could not save the original hardware. We replaced all that. Looks really nice. Everything has a black and silver theme to it. We have the black and silver axles. That is the signature color for the performance axle from us. This axle is really, really good. Holds a lot of power. NA or boosted is fine. Smooth, no issues, no vibrations. Long lasting. You'll be really happy with those. But anyway, this thing really came out nice. Finish looks really good on it. Next one on the bench, we'll be doing some stock conditioned axles, and I think a stage 3 rear is next on the bench, I believe. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and hopefully I'll get something else up here on the YouTube channel. See ya.